Hello and welcome. Now, today I'm going to be with a troublemaker in the background. It's going to be like smirking and laughing and giggling, no doubt. Today I'm going to be playing Guldkorn. I don't know what it's called, right? Back in the day when I was little, I just used to know. I just used to know it as German train game. Yeah, and that's what it was. So to me, and that's all I knew it as. It's Guldkorn, and shout out to my German, the German people who Rich and I watch. The Shadow's Nose and the Maniac. So this. Ooh. I nearly dropped my tea. Right on Neelix's bum. Right. So with this, you just gotta do stuff. I used to play this, and actually I got far in this. Quite far back then, when I was 8 years old, I'd say, when I played this. So what is... Right, so you can press fire and you can choose to be the bee, or you can just be the dude in the train, right? So I think the bee, if you press fire, oops, take auto fire off. Press fire and then the bee will do levers for you. So you can be the bee and click the levers. And then, once that lever is done, you can collect these. Okay. Is it like a breakfast cereal or something? Is this like for example, you see Lucozade in Super Frog, and you see Quavers in what's it called? Pushover. It's what giggling. In Pushover. Oh, you idiot! Stupid bee. Ah, okay. So is this like a sponsored game or something? And if so, you two who I gave a shout out to, Shadow's Nose and Tomaniac, have you played this before? Have you heard of it before? Right, when you get up. It's got some interesting sound effects. Okay, so we go up there. There's a boulder there. Ooh, how did I get... This game's very involved. How did I play it when I was 8? Okay, so you collected more dynamite. What's over here? Nothing. Freaking bee. Right, so I think you have to... You have to be very careful here, right? So, what you do, I think it's... And there's a time limit as well. Ah, okay, so you keep... Okay. Right. So something's fallen down there, right? And I remember now. You do have to go there. Okay, so this gravel which has just fallen from there, you have to get him to dig. I don't know what that means. All I heard was Gaviscon. But I don't think it's gonna be that. That's thingy. What's it called? I forgot the word for it. Shut up, you stupid bee. So, right. I need to jump here. They look like sugar puffs. What he's just eaten. I bet it's sugar puffs. I used to giggle at that as well. It's like German sugar puffs. Sugar puffs, you know, cereal. I've never had sugar puff, the Honey Monster and all that. Have you not had it before? Oh my god, how much more is it to this level? It's just level 1. Oh, you idiot. What's that word I've forgotten? The stuff that you need to... that makes you poo. Gaviscon. No, Gaviscon's not. That's for heartburn, yeah. I'm thinking of thingy. Yeah. Sorry. I forgot there was a piece of a lump of gravel there. Right. Get him to dig it out. What's that stupid? Not lact. Oh my god, it's such a simple laxative. That's it. Oh my god. Yeah. I thought Gaviscon was laxative, but it's not. It's for heartburn. Right. I'm thinking of lactulose. Such a random thing. All this time. No, where am I? What's this BS? I don't know what exists beyond those rocks. I don't want to like... Just take it back to the... I need to put the honey on them. Oh! I crashed into a stupid tree. This is the guy she's got. Yeah. It looks like it. Right. It's because I needed to get these cereal boxes first. Oh no. I thought it was gonna crash then. Right. Oh, you idiot. It was already... Right. Darn it! Too fast! No, I'm gonna complete level 1. How? When I was 8 years old did I complete level 1? I've been like a couple of levels, albeit not that many, but... It's quite hardcore for level 1. Okay, you know what? While I'm here, let me get those freaking those cereal boxes at the beginning, which is what I went back for and crashed into that stupid tree stump. There they are. Okay, so we need to kind of go there, do all that faff at the top. I mean, it's quite... Okay. It's quite an involved game. Okay, so we need dynamite. Right, gotta stop here because we need to get him to shovel that stupid gravel up. You get to watch this later and know what I'm actually talking about. No. Jump. What does the bottom one do? I can't remember. Enter data, which I'm guessing means load data. Yeah, sugar puffs. He ate the thing. She thought he trumped. I thought I didn't give enough. This is kind of like quite a bit of time. Just need to see what's here. So I've got like 2 dynamites left. No, 3 dynamites left. Okay. Oh no, there's nothing there! I just blew those 2 stupid rocks for no reason. I wasted dynamite. Right, I'm not sure what's beyond this. I can't remember. Let's try. Oh no! I wasted a... Oh. You gotta get the distance and everything right. Glitch to the stupid thing. Maybe jump. Oh, will you just get the frick up there? Better be careful, because it might be like a dead end. Oh no, I didn't put honey on them. So that's the end of the level, basically. So I did the first level. Oh my god, level 1. Do you have to put honey on them? Huh? Oh no! Don't tell me because I didn't put honey on them I have to do the level again. Are you kidding me? No. Okay, at least I know what to do in this level now. It's quite like an interesting game to play though. Can feel a little tedious at times, but it's, you know, it's involved. Why did that dynamite just make the music go louder? Okay, careful, there's gravel. That's the thing, if you don't give it enough, yeah? Okay, let's just... I'm just wondering if there's more cereal boxes. Oh no, there's nothing up there. Alright, let's honey these, yeah? There we go. I like the cutscenes, to be honest. So I think you have to honey them. Oh, I have to do each one? Yeah, you do. Once you get used to it, you get used to it. You know what you're doing. Okay, that's because I wasted... Is this German? I'm not sure. I assumed it was a German trade game. It may not even be German. My brother said it was German trade game. So now it should. Yes. Hopefully now. Now that I put honey in there, it should allow me. My bad. This is not a German train game. This is Norwegian. Because I was thinking it doesn't sound German to me. So I do apologize. Yeah. Looked up Hunter. Yeah. It's Norwegian. Yeah. So I do apologize. But something just didn't. My brothers always told me that it's German train game, right? And it's only. And it's only now that I looked it up. He's happy about it. Why? Please give me another go at level 2. Thank you. So all that stuff is there. So what I'm gonna have to do is get the TNT. Okay, I thought it was a... Hold on. Guldkorn.dk. Is that Denmark? Is this Danish then? Okay, you know something? I don't know, right? Whichever language this is, I think it's Danish, right? It didn't sound German to me. You gotta give me points on the that it didn't sound German when I heard some of the stuff, right? So it's Danish, yeah? We've gone from Germany to Norway to Denmark because it's Guldkorn.dk. Yeah, I just thought something's just a bit off here. So, yeah, there we go. Danish train game. To my brother who's listening, Danish train game. All my life, you told me German train game. Please be able to jump back, because I really don't know how to, if I could do it backward or not. Yeah? Please don't make this be a bad decision. No! Sorry. Where am I going? I need to get cereal boxes from back there. I don't know. You really have to fail catastrophically at this game in order to learn how to do it. Yeah, that's one of the things I've found out about this. Maybe that's why sometimes the little girl me who was this tall is sometimes a little wiser than the big me now. Oh no! Okay, I failed catastrophically. It's gonna make me do the level again, which is fair enough, right? If you do it wrong, it makes you do the level again. Yeah. Not enough. Okay. So then, Danish friends, looking at you, casual Commodore, Brian. Now you can translate this for me. No. Well, he seems pleased with himself to me. Right. So I'll leave it at that for now, right? Thanks so much for your likes, your shares. Do leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos and do subscribe for more. And to all my German viewers, my Norwegian viewers, and my Danish viewers, I will say adios. At least I figured it out in the end, yeah. Give me that credit. So, someone who doesn't know any of those languages. Anyway, adios.